airstrike was the biggest blow to the Hamas organization.
Dozens of fighter jets affiliated with the Israeli Air Force conducted a major aerial operation. This airstrike was the biggest blow to the Hamas organization. As the population in the north of Gaza started moving southward, Israeli warplanes directly targeted the positions held by Hamas groups. In fact, Israeli intelligence managed to locate a significant portion of the tunnels known as the Gaza Metro. With this information, the warplanes began targeting the areas where the tunnels were located with armor-piercing munitions. Subsequently, simultaneously, both the outposts and command centers where Hamas was positioned were targeted. The residences of high-ranking Hamas officials were also hit in the conducted airstrikes. Using advanced intelligence satellites, the Israeli military also pinpointed the exact locations of numerous munitions depots from which Hamas forces continuously resupplied. In light of this, many munitions depots were destroyed, primarily in the northern parts of Gaza. However, a major attack on munitions depots in the southern areas did not take place, possibly due to the majority of the local population residing there. As the countdown to the deadline set by the Netanyahu administration for Hamas forces began, F-16 fighter jets disabled their communication facilities. The Israeli Air Force, which conducted a complete blackout operation against the organization in the region, gave the green light. Following the departure of the Air Force from the region, the ground forces in Ashkelon mobilized and successfully entered Gaza from the north. In fact, as a result of the airstrikes carried out by the Air Force, more than 750 targets belonging to Hamas forces were hit. After suffering a significant blow, the Hamas organization was directly targeted by the Israeli ground forces as they initiated their operation. The primary objective of the Israeli forces conducting regional raids was to locate missing individuals. Therefore, through sudden and silent raids, Israeli soldiers were able to gather important intelligence. Based on the information collected, the organization's infrastructure and gathering areas were also destroyed. Israeli intelligence pinpointed the exact location of a critical point for the organization. This building, which had been turned into a stronghold by Hamas, continuously launched short-range missiles into Israeli territory, and it was targeted by drones. Subsequently, as the drones couldn't inflict sufficient damage on the stronghold, fighter jets targeted the area with armor-piercing munitions. The attack led to a massive explosion as a result of the destruction of the short-range missile ammunition stored at the bottom of the stronghold. It became evident that a significant portion of the ammunition stored by Hamas forces for their attacks was destroyed in this assault. Not only that, but the Israeli Air Force, through this attack, also incapacitated 3 Hamas operatives who were specialized in missile launches. It is believed that these 3 individuals were among those responsible for the production of the short-range missiles for the organization. Although this information may not be fully confirmed, the Israeli Air Force dealt a severe blow to the Hamas organization through attacks. In the north of Israel, Hezbollah terrorist groups continue to launch constant attacks. The situation is particularly critical in the town of Metula, the northernmost part of Israel. Israeli authorities have declared the town a closed military zone, indicating that in the event of a potential attack, Hezbollah groups could target this critical town.
Israeli force enters Gaza, major blow to Hamas.
दाइफ के पिता और भाई को इजराइल ने मार गिराया, दावा किया जा रहा है। दाइफ का बेटा भी इजरायली हमले में ढेर कर दिया गया और हमास के मिलिट्री विंग का चीफ है कमांडर दाइफ। दाइफ ने इजराइल पर 3 तरफ से अटैक करवाया और इजराइल ने दाइफ को नया उसामा बिन लादेन कहा है, क्योंकि उसामा बिन लादेन की तरह ही दाइफ भी खूंखार है। लादेन की तरह आतंकी खड़े करता है, हमले करवाता है। मोसाद ने दाइफ को मारने की 7 बार कोशिश की है, लेकिन हर बार दाइफ मोसाद के अटैक से बच गया। फिलहाल दाइफ इजराइल के मुख्य टारगेट पर है और इजराइल के पास दाइफ ही एकमात्र ऐसा कमांडर अभी बचा है हमास का, जिसकी एक ही तस्वीर है। दावा तो यह किया जा रहा है कि दाइफ के दोनों हाथ और पैर नहीं है, उसकी केवल एक आंख है और हमेशा व्हीलचेयर पर रहता है। दाइफ लादेन की तरह ही आतंकियों का ब्रेन वॉश करता है, लेकिन इसके बाद भी उसे पकड़ना मुश्किल बना हुआ है। मोसाद ने कोशिश की लेकिन कामयाबी अभी तक नहीं मिली है। तो यह आपने देख लिया है कि किस तरह से हमास को बार बार झटके मिल रहे हैं और कमांडर भी मारे जा रहे हैं, लेकिन अभी भी इजरायली सेना रुक नहीं रही है। आपको बताते हैं कि लगातार गाजा में अभी भी खौफ छाया हुआ है। कैसे, देखिए जरा। इजराइल की तरफ से हमास की जंग का आज 8वां दिन है और हमले किए जा रहे हैं। नेतन्याहू ने घोषणा कर दी है कि हमास को हम मिट्टी में मिला देंगे और इसी के साथ इजरायली सेना गाजा पर बम बरसा रही है। गाजा में पिछले 24 घंटे में 300 से ज्यादा लोगों की मौत हो गई है दर्शकों, और इजराइल ने बिजली और पानी की सप्लाई को रोक दिया है, जिससे गाजा में अब पानी खत्म होने की कगार पर पहुंच चुका है। और इजराइल की चेतावनी के बाद गाजा में आम लोग अपने घरों को छोड़कर जा रहे हैं। तस्वीरें आप देखिए, बैकपैक है सबके। इजराइल ने गाजा के उत्तरी शहर से 11 लाख लोगों को दक्षिण में जाने का आदेश